Hello sir and hello student. Myself Doditru. Today's topic is WiMAX. So let's start. Overview, definition of WiMAX, working of WiMAX, WiMAX scenario, technical detail, architecture, feature, benefit, limitation, uses of WiMAX and conclusion. So first of all, definition of WiMAX. WiMAX is worldwide interoperability for microwave access. It is a new telecommunication technology aimed providing wireless data over long distance. The wireless technology is designed to provide the last mile high speed internet access well as a nomadic service. It is based IEEE 802.16 wireless MAN. WiMAX system consists of two devices, WiMAX tower and WiMAX receiver. Working of WiMAX. This is the working of WiMAX. So, scenario. Consider a scenario where WiMAX enable computer 10 miles away from the WiMAX base station. A specially encryption code is given to computer gain access to base station. The base station would beam the data from the internet required to computer. The the user would pay to provide a monthly fees using the service, lower cost and better speed. The WiMAX protocol is designed to accommodate several different methods of the data transmission, one of which is the voice over internet protocol. Almost anyone with laptop could make the work. Almost anyone with a laptop could make VoIP calls. Technical details. WiMAX, a term coin, describes standard interoperability and implementation of IEEE 802.16 wireless network. Standard range. Range is 30 miles to from base station. Speed is 7 megabits per second. Frequency band is 2 to 11 GHz for license band and 2 to 66 GHz on license band. Define both MAC and physical layer allow to multiply PHY layer specification. This is the architecture. Fixed WiMAX has a two type of architecture: point-to-point architecture and point-to multi-point architecture. This is a point-to-point architecture. This one figure in WiMAX base station to WiMAX base station to point-to-point multi-point. And this architecture is point to multi-point architecture. This is central office to another branch. WiMAX feature. There is a four features: scalability, quality of service, and range and coverage. Three advantage: speed, wireless, and broad coverage. Uses: Wi-Fi hotspot can be interconnected without any wires. It is provide wireless alternative cable DSL connection for last mile broadband access. It can provide high-speed data and telecommunication service, providing nomadic connectivity. This is a limitation of WiMAX. Error rate increased when operate or maximum range and capacity. Lower set and bandwidth in case to many active users. System upgradation. Current computer required to receive WiMAX transmission. This is a future. Long-term goal for WiMAX to achieve 100 Mbps mobile and 1 Gbps fixed nomadic bandwidth. This is the equipment manufacturer and service provider. Conclusion: speed, broad coverage, mobility, probability are the major concerns for a wireless network. WiMAX has all these properties, hence it is the potential to substitute 3G and become a promising 4G. So this is a wireless communication topic WiMAX. Thank you.